In this video, I'll show you how to find a forgotten Twitter username, also known as X. If you're having trouble remembering your username and can't log in, don't worry. There are a few simple ways to recover it. Let's get started. First, open the Twitter or X login screen and tap on the Forgot Password option. Enter the email address connected to your account and tap Next. Twitter may ask you to verify your identity using a password, code, or recovery option. Just follow the on-screen instructions, and once you regain access to your account, your username will be visible on your profile. If this method doesn't work, you can try checking the saved passwords on your phone. Go to your device settings, search for passwords, and open your password manager. From there, search for Twitter or X, and when you open it, your saved username will usually appear at the top. Another helpful option is to check your email inbox. Open the email account linked to Twitter and search for messages from Twitter or X. Any account-related email should include your username. So that's how you can easily find a forgotten Twitter or X username using a few quick methods. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to like the video, share it with others who might need it, and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.